Hey guys, it's Jolene here with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about mock-ups. We love mock-ups. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor, a lot of which I make here in my basement. And I do print on demand and digital files. And then I teach all of the business stuff right here on my YouTube channel. So if you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're signing up for any of these tools and websites and apps and all that kind of stuff that I show here on the channel, all of them are listed in my video descriptions. I am an affiliate for a whole bunch of them. And if you sign up through the links, I do earn small commissions. I don't want that to be the focus of my videos, though. I want you guys to start your own business, and I run my business on Shopify. So I do all of my work in Shopify first, and if I feel like it, I transfer some of my work over to my Etsy store to get even more traffic, and then I redirect them to my Shopify by giving them a thank you card and offers and all that kind of fun stuff to get them over there, because you can't rely on Etsy for diddly squat anymore. So if you're still stuck on Etsy, I highly recommend getting started on Shopify so that you always own your work and you own your customers. Okay, so in today's video, I thought, okay, let's cover some of this mock-up stuff, because if you're brand new to designing anything, it can be kind of confusing. So in today's video, I want to talk to you specifically about designing. We're going to work on a shower curtain. But I guess I should back it up a little bit. If you want to design your own repeat patterns, what you need to do is have a place to design them. And one of the places that I like to tell you about is this Reaper app, which is crazy cool. You can try it for free for 14 days. You upload your pattern into the Reaper app. And then as you can see on this display here, they're showing you how you can customize your image. You can rotate it. You can have 3D effects on it. Basically by just moving the selection tool around your actual image and create your own repeat patterns. And if you're designing a shower curtain, a repeat pattern is a really good idea to design it. So first of all, I would design a pattern in a Reaper app, and then I would sign up for Printify, which is a print-on-demand provider for all kinds of products. So if we come over to Printify and we hit catalog, we can come over to bathroom, and you'll be able to see that you can create your own shower curtain right here on Printify. So Printify is going to give you the product details. And then if you scroll down a little bit here, you're going to be able to click Start Designing. And this is where you would pull in your design that you have made in your Reaper app, your design into the product, and then make sure that it's all over and all over print. Make sure that your DPI is proper. Make sure that you've got it in your print area size. Printify is basically going to walk you through the whole entire process. And then you can load your product onto your Shopify store, which is what I recommend to do first. And then if you feel like it, you can integrate it over to an Etsy store as well. So Printify is also free to start. The thing with Printify is, like, once you design your own product, if you put it onto Shopify and somebody purchases your product, you have to pay for the product in order for it to get shipped. And then you have to wait for your payment processing to go through in order to get paid for that product. So you do need a little bit of money up front, or room on a credit card, which is what most of us do, room on a credit card. To get going with your print-on-demand career. So you've got your Reaper app where you're going to design. You've got Printify that's going to provide you with the products that you can print on. There's other print-on-demand providers too, but for this tutorial, we're just going to specifically talk about Printify. Okay, so then once we've got your design put onto a shower curtain and you can see the mock-ups and everything, I'm just going to come into my own Home Stitchery Decor store here, and I'm going to select shower curtain, and you can see here is a shower curtain that I've been working on. Well, as you can see, this mock-up for the shower curtain is very generic, womp womp, and it kind of looks like bunk. So if you put this onto a platform, the chances of somebody just buying a shower curtain just based on this image right here, I can blow it up here for you a little bit bigger as well. Nobody's going to buy that. I mean, and then if you go over to Etsy, you'll even see some of my prints on some of my shower curtains on my Etsy store right now are using this mock-up right here. And I am working on fixing that. It's just, time, all that kind of fun stuff. All right, so you need a better mock-up. So this is where Etsy comes in. Etsy is great for this. And here's a store that I found recently called Mockups. And essentially what I did is I purchased this 38 mock-up bundle here, and I'm just trying to look around my camera while I do this. This was $20.04, which was crazy. You can see that this is a highly in-demand product right now. Over 20 people have this in their basket. So what I did was I purchased this mock-up, a bundle, right? And then after I purchased it, I downloaded it from my purchases on Etsy, and then I had it in a file, downloaded on my computer, and I extracted all the files. And then what I did was I loaded all of the files into my Canva account. So if you come over to my Canva account, I'm going to show you right here, shower curtain mockups, 47 items. So here are all the mockups that I had purchased from that Etsy seller. So it was Mockups. And they'll take a minute to load here, but they're really quite easy to work with. And so I just loaded them and I put them into a folder on my Canva account. You can sign up for Canva too. They have a free account as well. But some of the features for downloading mockups and all of the things like background removers and stuff like that are only available on their pro account. And once again, all these links will be in the video for you guys to get going on this. Okay, so you're seeing here that all of these mockups are actually loading into the Canva account here. So you can see that they're there. Let's move on because this isn't the actual point of the entire video. So if we want to create a design, and we had those two elements, we had our repeat pattern design, we had it put onto a product into Printify, and now we have our mockups that we're going to create a new mockup in Canva. So essentially what I do is I create a custom size. I make it 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. My mockups are already in a folder. So once this thing gets going here, it's going to be quite easy. So your folders are going to be in your projects tab. So click on projects, and then you'll see here there's a folders tab. Come down to where you saved your mockups. So here's my shower curtain mockup tab, and here are the shower curtain mockups that I bought through that bundle. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and show you guys how this works. So let's just select this one right here. We're going to pull this image over onto our screen, and then we're going to enlarge it so it takes up the full size of the screen. So I just want it to go straight to the top and straight to the bottom. We're going to pull this down in here. Now, the other thing that I did was I downloaded my mockup from Printify. So remember I showed you the shower curtain here. Where was it? This shower curtain mockup. I downloaded this image and I uploaded it to my Canva account. So there's a lot of downloads and then uploads and all that kind of stuff, but you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, sometimes the images come off of Printify a little bit blurry, so I had to download it multiple times. You'll see these two here are blurry. This one here is not. And then how do we get this dang thing onto a mockup so it actually looks proper? Okay, this is so easy. I can't believe more people don't talk about how actually easy this is. So we're going to grab this mockup that we have here from Printify, and we're going to drag it over top, roughly over top of our shower curtain. So now we're going to come up to the top here, and this is on the Pro Canva account. We're going to select the transparency. We're going to turn down the transparency, and now we're just going to enlarge this shower curtain so it fits over top of the curtain in the picture. And just make sure that all of the green of your, well, this one's green, all of your shower curtain is over top of the shower curtain in behind it. You might have to click it a few times. I recommend not making it wider, like not pulling it this way, because it actually distorts the pattern. It makes it quite large. I actually recommend just pulling it from the corners. And a great way to see if this is actually working properly is to count the repeat design here. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. So right now, this design is over top of our actual shower curtain. So this edge is the longest edge here that you could see. And now what we need to do is we need to turn the transparency back up to 100. And yes, it does look like it's taken over the whole design, but very quickly here, you're going to see how it works. We're going to hit position, which is right here. And then we're going to move this backwards, and voila, that's it. So easy. So now our design is over top of here. Now, a great way to see, to make sure if your design is, to scale, is to count the elements on the design on the long side here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, approximately 9. And then when you come over to your print on demand site here on Printify, and you pull this image up as well, you can count the images as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, approximately 9. I might have missed a branch. So you want this mock-up here to be as where did I go here? As close as possible to the mock-up over here for scale. And that's it basically. So now you can export this mock-up. So you're going to hit the share button, which is on the top right hand corner of your Canvas screen. You're going to hit download. I select download mine as a JPEG, and I can download the image. And then once it's done downloading, it will appear in your downloads. And wherever you have your downloads, I have a little arrow up here that I can click on to see my most recent downloads. Click on the download, and there you'll see your mockup. And you can upload this file. So now we've downloaded something else. We're going to upload something else to your Shopify listing. So that's how you do it. That's how you create mockups. And because I bought a bundle of 47 mockups, I've got an infinite number of mockups that I can use from this one designer. And if you come back in and look at the mockup bundle that he has here, it is quite extensive. And he shows you examples of the mockups being used as well. So there's black, there's gray, there's like bohemian stuff, there's white tiles, there's all kinds of selections here. And like, I don't know this guy. I mean, I asked him if I could showcase his mockup store in a video just to get his permission, but I don't know this guy. I don't get any commissions or like anything. I don't get any kickbacks on this. But I will put a link in the video description to this exact store if you want to go purchase this guy's mockups. They're pretty good. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye, guys.